Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Barclays account to another bank. First, open the Barclays app and log in. At the bottom of the screen, tap Pay and Transfer. Then select Pay. Choose the account you want to send money from. Then tap to and add new payee if the person or account is in it already saved. Next, enter the recipient's name, sort code, and account number, then tap Continue. Now, type in the amount you want to send and add a reference if needed. Once that's done, tap Review Payment, double-check the details, and then confirm. And that's it. Your transfer should go through almost instantly. And that's how to transfer money from your Barclays account to another bank. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.